Welcome to the Franklin School District Power Grade screencast. In this episode, we're going to take a look at how to create comments in Power Grade. So I'm currently in Power Grade, and I have one of my class grade books open. To get to the comment bank, you go up to the Windows drop-down menu, and you choose Comment Bank. Now what this does is this opens a comment bank window that allows you to view comments in two different banks. There are the personal comments, which is what we're going to add. And if your school has chosen to do so, you might have some school comments listed in there as well. If your school does not have school comments, you may want to talk to your principal or talk to your Power School go-tos in the building and see if there's going to be a school comment bank created. For purposes of this screencast, we're going to talk about adding personal comments. These comments will go on report cards that go home with the students. They will also be able to be seen online when the parents for your school have online access. So the comments that you create in here you will use over and over again, and they will probably be generic comments that you can use with different students. So for personal comment adding, I'm going to make sure I'm clicked on personal comments, and I'm going to click the add button. Now the next window that comes up, you have to fill in a code, and the code has to be up to 8 characters in length. So for an example, I'm going to make one and call it binder. And you can use numbers. If you'd rather use a numbering system, you could use short words, but 8 characters is the maximum, and it does add these brackets before and after, and those do count as part of the code. And you'll see how this works in a minute. It keeps a list of codes so you know which comment you're selecting. So in my comment, I'm going to keep it very short and to the point. Needs to bring binder to every class. I'm not going to put punctuation at the end of this phrase, and you'll see that in the next screencast where we talk about adding the comments to a student's note section. The reason for that is we'll be adding a comma in that area, and it'll actually flow together very nicely. So you want to keep a short phrase, no punctuation at the end. When you're done creating the comment, hit OK, and it'll take you back to the personal comment bank, and you'll see that it's added it to my list. Now you can go on and add other comments, add as many as you want to. Comments that are useful for your class in particular, and that's how you create your comment bank. If you need to delete any of the comments, all you do is double click the comment. It'll take you back into the edit area where you could edit it if you just need to change it, or if you just want to outright delete it, there is a delete button down here that will delete it from your comment list. So that's how you add, create, edit, and delete comments, and look for the next screencast for how to add comments to the students. Thanks for watching.